OneTigris COSMITTO 2.0 Backpacking Tent. Why choose OneTigris COSMITTO Backpacking Tent? The everyday camping dome tent that many outdoor lovers have been waiting for. Featuring the most straightforward setup method via flexible poles that cross at the top of the dome, and are securely anchored to the floor on all four corners. The 3-season COSMITTO comfortably fits 2 campers and can be used from early spring to late fall, with 1,500mm waterproof rating and a nylon mesh bug net. It is highly recommended for use for backpackers and families that need a quick and easy setup for the trip. In aerial view, after setup, the tent looks like a perfect 6-sided diamond, offering solid wind resistance and a balanced, symmetrical charm. Inside the COSMITTO you'll find 2 large organizer pockets for storing your gear, and a handy outdoor nightlight attachment point at the top. OneTigris COSMITTO Backpacking Tent. 20D plaid ripstop polyester construction with 75D nylon tent bottom offering rugged durability. Waterproof coating with 1,500mm waterproof rating and rip resistance with quality YKK snag-free zippers. 2 number 7001 aluminum alloy frame poles and 1 center pole that can be easily assembled for a quick and steadily anchored setup. 3-season design with a nylon mesh inner tent to keep the breeze in and the bugs out. 7.2 feet by 4.3 feet by 3.6 foot space for 2 people with front and rear zippered entrances. 2 large gear organizer pockets and 1 tent light attachment point inside the tent. Hexagon-shaped outer tent for solid wind resistance and stability in shelter structure. Protective tent corners to prevent sideway winds from disturbing campers' sleep. Suitable for backpackers, everyday campers, and families looking for easy setup tents.